In this video, I'll guide you on how to recover your old WhatsApp account without a SIM card in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and your like is very important for as. First, borrow a phone from a friend or family member and open WhatsApp on it. In the top right corner, you'll see three dots. Tap on them and go to Settings. Next, scroll down and find the Help option. Tap on it, then select the Help Center. From there, choose the Account section. Open it, and at the bottom right, you'll see the Support option. Tap on it. Now, describe your issue in the text box by writing something like, "I want to recover my old WhatsApp account without a SIM card." After typing your message, click Next. You'll see some related queries, including an option about lost or stolen phones. Open that. If the provided information doesn't solve your problem, you can contact WhatsApp support directly. Just click Send my question to WhatsApp support, and they will create a ticket for you. Once the ticket is generated, you can communicate with a WhatsApp representative who will assist you in recovering your account. And that's it. This is how you can recover your old WhatsApp account without a SIM card in a few easy steps.